Hi, science classes. Welcome back. Hopefully you enjoyed your somewhat extended weekend. We're able to relax a little bit and you are refreshed and ready to move forward with continuing second quarter. Today it is October 28th. We have a lot in the objective that was on purpose. It's not just totally off the rails. So I can demonstrate understanding of wave movement in transverse and longitudinal waves. That is related to the lab that we were working on last week. That I know some of you got a little thrown off by my absence on Wednesday, and then Thursday only 2 classes met. So we'll be taking a look at that. I can demonstrate ability to use math skills to calculate wave speed, frequency, and wavelength, giving 2 out of 3 quantities. That's going to be looking at that note page, the math problems that we were doing, the wave equations. I know some of you finished that, but we are going to go ahead and take a look at that today in class, take some time for that. I can explain how waves move in different media, and so that is actually looking at how waves move in solid, liquid, and gas, the 3 states of matter. We got a couple of digital learning aspects that we're going to be using for that. One's a crash course physics, and one is more specifically just looking at the actual different kinds of media. Your study guides are available. If you haven't picked one up already, they are over here in the Thursday bin. Since they were made available last week, Thursday, I recognize not all classes met, but they are there. They're also posted on Google Classroom. I don't have a preference how you do it. If you do it on paper, if you do it on Google Classroom. So that is your homework for today. The quiz has been moved to Wednesday. Originally it was Tuesday, but due to the band concert stuff going on Tuesday, moved the quiz to Wednesday, trying to accommodate everybody. Thursday we're going to be moving into light and sound. And so we're going to be exploring actually how light and sound helps make haunted houses more spooky to start off with, and then kind of moving forward with that concept in there. And so that is the plan for this week so far. So for starters today, we want to go ahead and take a look again at the lab that you were working on last week. I'm going to pull up the co-teacher from last Wednesday, give you guys a chance to take a look at that for anybody who needs some more guidance on that lab report. And then wave equations, a lot of you still have it over in the crates, over that way, because we kind of started it and then just forgot about it. I didn't totally forget. It kind of didn't fit in with some of the stuff we were doing. We do want to get back and take a look at some of those wave equations. And then, like I said, we're going to do some digital learning, waves in different media. If you happen to finish everything, you can go ahead and, as always, work on any missing work or trying to complete anything to get ahead. Definitely you can take a look at that study guide. It's written directly off the quiz. Our quiz is going to be, you'll have the option to do it digitally, so on the computer or on paper. You have seen it before. Our diagnostics are written directly from the quiz, so you're definitely familiar with what we're doing. So that is the plan for today. Tomorrow we're going to be doing reviews, so that's why the study guide is homework for tonight. We'll look over what the study guide looks like. That review of the study guide will be posted this afternoon. And so you'll have the opportunity to make sure you have all the correct answers. And then tomorrow we'll be doing some review games, going over the study guide, finishing up any cheat day activities that people may need to do, making sure everybody is as prepared as possible for Wednesday's quiz. So happy Monday, welcome back, let's get started.